Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. You watch the sun as it slowly fades from the horizon to the place we meet. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Spinning too fast to notice. The shit could change the tide. Just keeps playing, growing up with the wind inside. I lost it right out of nowhere. It's as bright as afterglow. It's something over my timing as it breaks. Still I cannot see it.
Let's say the thing that we both know. Gonna take these words and make them stone. I know a place on the edge of town. The whiskey and the wind are the only sound. Let's make like a tree, grow some roots, do all the things that old folks do. I need you and you need me. What else more could say? Drive all night and head out west. Get lost in Montana. Find the sand.